Dula naman dahil si sir.
Ayaw. Miss. Rebound will be on Luxury Cars team. Number 10 again. Number 10 is fouled. Foul will be on number 35. That will be your first personal foul. First team foul. Send it us.
First attempt, sablay kay Bossing. I'm back mga Bossing. Second attempt, wala pa rin. Isa pa daw. Ayoko na sana magsalita kasi nagugutom na ako. Isa pa. Basket na by Bossing number 10. Bolet team Zelda Dos. Double dribble violation. Bola ng mga mayayaman team Luxury Cars. Good defense. Nice team. Ito na team Zelda Dos. Nakawala. Grabe naman yun. Sayang yun. Foul number 10, Daki. Sinong 10 yan?
Brad, magtarong ka, Brad!
Dakis. Ang dami yung number 10. Foul number 0. Ayub. That's your first personal foul. Second team foul. 40 Luxury Cars. Number 25. Good defense by Ayub. Pass break. Naku po, nauna sa kalaban. Number 6. With a spin. Good defense by Ayub again. Intimidating. Ayub. Dakis. Same ball lang mga bossing. Ito na si Sir Idol. No good. Rebound yung team Zelda Dos. Number 10! Anong masasabi mo sa larong to? Beautiful play. Dakis! Number 1! Basket. Or number 1. Libre! Ayub with a crossover! Ayub! What a shot! By Ayub!
Da, muntik nang maulo.
Foul number 25. Number 25. That's your second personal foul. Second team foul. First attempt, Ayub! Basket. Second attempt, Ayub's. 2 points for Ayub. Team Zelda does ball to number 18. Number 18. There's a call and there's a foul. Foul number 0, Ayub.
Ayaw, call!
That's your second personal foul.
Do! Isa pa, Do!
Basket. Number 18, basket. Ayub, offensive rebound. Foul. Number 25. 25, foul. Number 25, third personal foul. Third team foul. By Zelda Dos. First
Oh.
basket.
Palak ng palak eh. Eh, alam niyang matatangkad. Siyempre, ano niya yung kamay.
Ayub, offensive rebound. Time out! Locks it